Overseas, and US President Joe Biden has announced a program this morning which will allow the undocumented spouses of American citizens to apply for citizenship. Under the current process, immigrants must leave the country while applying for citizenship. Leaving them without assurance they'll be allowed back. The changes will allow undocumented spouses to stay with their families in America while their visas are being processed. The White House believes approximately 500,000 people will benefit from this plan.
About keeping couples together who are married, where one spouse is a U.S. citizen, the other is undocumented. They've been living in the United States for at least 10 years. These couples have been raising families, sending their kids to church and school, paying taxes, contributing to our country for 10 years or more. Matter of fact, the average time they've spent here is 23 years, people who are affected today. But living in the United States all this time with this fear and uncertainty. We can fix that. And that's what I'm going to do today.
And his opponent, as things turned out, Donald Trump, right there, campaigning at the moment. Let's just take this for 30 seconds.
Grab his hand and lead him off the stage as though he were a child. I have to tell you, Obama could have handled that differently. He could have done it a little bit softer. He could have done it like, let's go, let's go. He didn't have to grab him and pull him off the stage, but he looked good, and I guess that was his primary purpose. He wanted to look good. He could have done a better job. In fact, the Biden people were very upset about that whole incident, but yet to be discussed. But Crooked Joe and his handlers are insisting he's sharper than ever, and they say the videos of Crooked Joe shuffling around are clean fakes. You know what a clean fake is? They're deceptively edited. They say they're deceptively edited. All of the mistakes that he's made every day. He can't go anywhere without a mistake. Now, if I'm perfect, they say he made a mistake. He did perfect. And I don't say clean fakes, although they do. They do that. They do that. They're the fake news. Look how many you have out there. They're all over the place. But with me, they take a good speech and they make it look as bad as possible. With him, they take the worst speech you've ever heard and they try and make him look like semi-normal. These are shameless liars who are trying to deceive you about other people, the people that represent Biden. They're shameless liars. They're the Russia people, the laptop from hell people.
OK, we'll leave that there.